The mid-20th century was a time of unprecedented tension. The world was on edge, with nations holding their breath. The Cold War gripped the world, casting a long shadow over international relations and everyday life. Two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, were locked in a battle for ideological dominance. This rivalry extended beyond Earth, reaching for the stars in a thrilling competition known as the space race. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. The race to space captivated the world's imagination. People from all walks of life found themselves looking up at the night sky with a renewed sense of wonder. It pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity and forever changed our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The space race was more than just a display of technological prowess. It was a testament to human ambition and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each nation sought to demonstrate the superiority of its political and economic systems through the achievements of its space program. The stakes were high, and every success was a point of national pride. Every launch, every orbit, every new milestone was a victory not just in space, but also in the global court of public opinion. The eyes of the world were on these two nations. Families gathered around their televisions, eagerly awaiting the latest updates. They watched as humanity took its first tentative steps beyond the cradle of Earth. The moon landing was a moment that transcended national boundaries. The rivalry fostered an era of unparalleled scientific discovery and technological advancement. It spurred the development of powerful rockets, sophisticated satellites, and the spacecraft needed to land humans on the moon. The dream of exploring other worlds was no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. The spirit of exploration and discovery burned brightly. Astronauts conducted experiments that expanded our understanding of space and our own planet. It pushed engineers and scientists to their limits, working long hours under immense pressure. It captured the dreams of an entire generation. Children played with toy rockets, dreaming of one day becoming astronauts themselves. The space race began not with a roar, but with a beep. The launch of Sputnik 1 signaled the dawn of a new era. The faint rhythmic signal of Sputnik 1 marked the beginning of humanity's journey into the cosmos, a journey that continues to this day. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union shocked the world. From the desolate steppes of Kazakhstan, a rocket thundered skyward, piercing the atmosphere with a roar that echoed across the plains. It carried a small, shiny sphere, Sputnik 1, into Earth's orbit, marking a monumental achievement in human history. This event sent shockwaves across the globe, capturing the imagination and fear of millions. The space age had begun, ushering in a new era of exploration and technological competition. For the United States, caught off guard by the Soviet achievement, it was a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the geopolitical stakes. The seemingly distant threat of Soviet technology had become a stark reality, one that could no longer be ignored. Sputnik, a 23-inch metal sphere with 4 radio antennas, was relatively simple in design, yet its impact was profound, resonating far beyond the scientific community. It transmitted a signal, a simple beep, 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 that could be picked up by amateur radio operators around the world, a sound that symbolized a new era. This sound, heard across continents, was a stark reminder of Soviet technological prowess, a testament to their capabilities. It sparked fear and anxiety in the West, a palpable sense of urgency and concern. The Soviets had taken the lead in the race for space, a position that they would fiercely defend. The launch of Sputnik 1 had a profound impact on the United States, shaking the nation to its core. The government and public alike were caught off guard by the Soviet achievement, a realization that spurred immediate action. It became clear that the Soviet Union had made significant strides in rocketry and space technology, advancements that could not be underestimated. The United States, fearing falling behind in this critical area, was spurred into action, igniting a fervent push for innovation. The rivalry that would come to define the next decade and shape the future of space exploration was now in full swing, a battle for supremacy in the final frontier. In response to Sputnik, the United States dramatically increased its investment in science education and research and development, laying the groundwork for future achievements. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, was founded in 1958, consolidating existing research efforts and signaling America's commitment to winning the space race, a bold declaration of intent. The world held its breath as the two superpowers, fueled by national pride and a thirst for knowledge, raced towards the ultimate prize, the moon, a journey that would captivate and inspire generations to come. The Soviet Union, riding high on the success of Sputnik, achieved another stunning victory in the space race. This was a time of intense competition and rapid advancements. On April 12, 1961, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. This historic event was the culmination of years of rigorous training and groundbreaking engineering. His Vostok 1 spacecraft completed one orbit of Earth before returning safely. The launch was a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Soviet space program. Gagarin's 108-minute flight was a monumental achievement. It captured the imagination of people around the world, showcasing the incredible potential of human spaceflight. It cemented the Soviet Union's early dominance in the space race and further fueled American ambitions. The United States redoubled its efforts to catch up and surpass the Soviet achievements. The image of Gagarin smiling from his capsule as he orbited the Earth was broadcast around the world. His calm demeanor became a symbol of hope and progress. He became an instant hero, celebrated globally as a pioneer who had taken humanity's first step into the cosmos. His journey captivated the world's imagination. People everywhere were glued to their televisions and radios, eagerly following every moment of his historic flight. It demonstrated the potential of human spaceflight and pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. For the Soviet Union, it was a propaganda coup, showcasing the capabilities of their socialist system. Gagarin's flight marked a turning point in human history. It was a bold statement that humanity was no longer confined to Earth and could reach for the stars. It was the first time a human being had left the confines of Earth's atmosphere and ventured into space. This journey opened up new possibilities for exploration and scientific discovery. His pioneering journey paved the way for future human exploration of space. It inspired a new generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. It ignited a global fascination with space travel that continues to this day. Children dreamed of becoming astronauts, and the public's interest in space exploration soared. The world now looked to the stars with a renewed sense of wonder and possibility. The night sky became a new frontier for human exploration. The United States, spurred by the success of Sputnik, was determined to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth. The space race was a symbol of national pride, a contest of ideologies, and a demonstration of human ingenuity and perseverance. It was about national pride, international prestige, and the essence of human exploration and achievement. The race to space was a defining moment in the 20th century, shaping the course of history and inspiring generations to come.